Hi, hello DVC fam. Welcome to the LINmagination channel, and I'm going to give you a tour of our 1-bedroom villa here at Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. So we're staying in a DVC unit, and this is my first time staying in this type of room here at the resort. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Let's go ahead and get started from the entrance. All right, so we are staying in room 459. It is in the Iwa Tower, and to the left is where our full-size kitchen is. And as you can see, we've got this nice, spacious fridge. Here's what the freezer looks like. And this is what the space looks like in the fridge. We've got a full-size stovetop, as well as a microwave. So let me show you one of my favorite things about our kitchen here. Boom, here we go. We've got a dedicated rice cooker, yay! So our kitchen is stocked with everything that we need, from plates and bowls and cups, more cups, and more glassware. Here's where you'll find your forks and spoons and knives. Did I see chopsticks? Yes, I sure did. Here are a bunch of chopsticks for our use here. This is where you'll find your pots and pans. Behind this door, we even have some food storage options, a baking pan sheet down there. This place is truly a home away from home. Underneath the sink is where you'll find the trash can, as well as a recycle bin and a fire extinguisher. And then we've got a dishwasher. Here's where the ice bucket is. And then let's move on to the dining room. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be able to enjoy this space with my girlfriends. I'm here on a girlfriend trip, and our first night we actually stayed in a studio villa, and now we are staying in a 1-bedroom for the rest of our trip. I love how much space we have in here. I love the hidden Mickey details of the print. And across the way is a closet, and behind this closet is where you'll find the washer and dryer. So we've got 1 box of detergent. Here is what the capacity looks like for the washer. And this is what the inside of the dryer looks like. I know some of you probably don't even care. But then there's people like me that wants to have an idea of what kind of room I'm stepping into. So there's that. I hope you appreciate that detail. All right, so let's move into the spacious living room. So there's 5 people total in our party. So 2 people can sleep in this pull-out bed couch, and then 1 person can sleep in this pull down. We've got this nice large TV. It says Ikomo Mai Ka Ohana Parawin. And as a gift, we have this beautiful art print made by Brett Iwan. And if you don't know who Brett Iwan is, let me give you a hint. He voices a famous Disney character. Can you guess who it is? Well, if you guessed Mickey Mouse, you guessed correct. So he is also an artist. So we've got this beautiful postcard, and it says Ikomo Mai with a beautiful view of Aulani. And then this is what the print looks like. We've got Mickey and Minnie on a floaty. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so grateful for this gift. Thank you. Like I said, I am really impressed with how much space is in here. So we've got this book here, The Story of Disney 100 Years of Wonder. This is the DVC version, and it's for you to enjoy while you're here in the stateroom. But if you would like to buy it, you could totally buy it. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it definitely looks like something that I'll be picking up to read outside of our Lanai here. So inside of this ottoman is where you can find bedding. So this is where you'll find an extra pillow and a blanket. All right, so behind these closet doors is where we can find a laundry basket. This is a great place to hang some of your items. And then this is also where you'll find the safe. So that door leads into the room next door in case we booked connecting rooms. I love that we have a fan in the living room in case it gets toasty in here. And then let me show you what the bedroom looks like. So we have a fan above the bed, and check out our little swan towel things. They're so cute. And it looks like we've got a king size bed. So we've got a nightstand on each side of the bed. On the right side of the bed is where we have a telephone, some stationery, and a clock. Across from the bed is another TV, and we've got plenty of drawers and this desk here. So if you have to do some work, you can hang out next to Mickey Mouse and get some inspiration from him. And yeah, that's also where you'll find the telephone. Okay, you guys, a quick break. If you're finding this video helpful so far, I hope you decide to give it a thumbs up. I love doing room tours at the DVC properties that we stay at, as well as staterooms on Disney Cruise Line ships. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please definitely smash on that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on anything. So this part kind of reminds me of Disney's Grand Californian. So we can see through to the bathroom, and if you want, you could of course have some privacy by closing these partition doors here. So we've got this nice large jet tub here, and then across the way is a sink. We have a trash can there, and they also provide us with some facial soap. And then we have this closet in this bathroom, which houses a luggage rack. It looks like a pack and play, more hangers, some laundry bags, an iron, and an ironing board. All right, and then this door leads us into the main bathroom. So of course you've got your toilet here. We've got some toiletries, which are still H2O. So we have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion, some tissue, bath soap in that dish, plenty of towels, extra toilet paper right there. And then this is where the walk-in shower is. Oh, nice. So they already provided us with extra toiletries there. It looks like we have some shampoo, conditioner, as well as body wash. So far, the only thing that I'm disappointed with in regards to the layout is that there's not another toilet. So there's gonna be 5 girls in here. We're all going to have to share one toilet in the main bathroom there. I feel like I would have rather had a toilet instead of this additional closet here, but that's just me. We're only here for 3 nights, so I don't think it'll be that big of an issue. But let me show you what our Lanai looks like. We have a standard view, and our view is of the convention center. So my husband and I stayed here about a year ago, and we also had a standard view studio villa, and I remember this is what we were looking at. So we have a nice view of the courtyard. Let me open up all these doors here. And this is our Lanai. So we have 4 chairs here, so all of us can hang out and enjoy the breeze. And then this sliding door leads us into the living room over there. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and smash on that subscribe button. I hope to see you again real soon. And I'm so happy because my Asian self loves to eat rice, and we have an actual rice cooker here. We've got this nice large TV. It says Ikomo Mai Ka Ohana Parawin. And we have the remote here, some information. Oh my God. Let me show you what it looks like. And then a single person can sleep on this pull down. Oh. Okay, that's going into the bloopers. If you're finding this video helpful as you plan your magical trip to Disney